Janine, this is Emily, our new intern from the United States. Emily, this is Park Bujanine.
Hi, Mr. Park. It's great to finally meet you. I'm really excited to be working here.
Welcome, Emily sis. We are so happy to have to join this team. Please have a seat.
So, Mr. Park, what will be working on today? Miss Kim mentioned some initial training.
Yes, Emily, Miss Kim will guide you through the initial orientation. If you have any questions, you can ask me or Kim Junin.
Okay, great. Thanks, Miss Kim. So, Mr. Park, about the project.
Emily, it is more respectful to address Park Bujanine as Bujanine or Park Bujanine. She is a general polite suffix for addressing people, but using his title shows more indifference to his position.
Oh, I didn't realize. Sorry, Mr. Park. I mean, Park Bujanine.
It is alright, Emily sis. Korean workplace culture has its own customers. We understand it may take time to learn. Emily, so Bujang means department head.
Yes, that is correct. It is his title, similar to how you might address someone as director or manager in our company. We often use titles with name as an honorific suffix, especially for those seniors to us. For someone like me who is Jung or manager, you can use Kim Jung-nim or Jung-nim. For colleagues of a similar level or those younger, she is common.
This is a lot to remember, so I shouldn't just call everyone by their first name.
Generally, no, especially in the beginning, using titles with him or she shows respect as you become more familiar with your college. So we invite you to address them more informally by their first name perhaps, but it is best to wait for that end video.
Okay, that makes sense. So, Mr. Park Bujanine, Miss Kim, said I'll be starting with some training materials today.
Yes, that is correct. Kim Jong-im will provide those for you. Please do not hesitate to ask either of us if you have any difficulties.
Thank you, Park Bujanine, and thank you for explaining, Miss Kim.
You are welcome, Emily. We are here to help you adjust.